Okay. Hey junkies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an inspired celebrity makeup tutorial. Way! I've never done one of these and I thought it'd be a good idea to start doing inspired recreations of celebrity makeup looks. So today's look is going to be inspired by the queen herself, Kim Kardashian. That's a big look, that's a big statement to do. Makeup by Mario is literally the king of makeup and he did this look on Kim and I really wanted to recreate it because I thought it was a gorgeous, glam but smoky eye look with a nude lip. It's very me, it's very my style and I thought I would recreate it for you today and I hope you enjoy. If you are new around here, I'm MakeupJunkieG and we are the junkies and it'd be so fab if you could definitely subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. I can't stress how important that is to you. Sometimes my videos will not go in subscription boxes, which is a pain. So if you have the notification bell button on, and you guys will never miss a video. How fab, I know. If you wanted to see how I recreated the inspired Kim K look, then just carry on watching. So I've already started off with my eyeshadow base and I've done this eye just so I know what look I'm going for, so your girl is prepared. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe 35K palette. When I was picking eyeshadow colours for this look, I instantly thought of this palette because this couldn't be more Kim K. If it tried, the perfect brown shades ever, and I thought, your girl is going to go for this palette because it is like the perfect array of brown shades. It's like dream brown palette. It's so fab. So for the first colour that I'm actually going to go into is going to be this one here. The main attention was definitely the winged liner because that was just beautiful. I'm just using my Zoeva 227 brush and I'm just blending this just in my crease, and I'm not going to be taking this high up like I usually. I am just making sure that I'm really blending this in the crease and the socket, but not taking it too high. Also, if you haven't ever tried Morphe palettes, I definitely recommend them because they are such a dream to blend, and I got this palette from Beauty Bay, so if you want to get Morphe, definitely head over to Beauty Bay where you can get a selection of Morphe products. Yes. So the next shade that I'm using is the third one along on the second row, and again I'm just blending this in my crease. I'm just building up colours because I feel like that is the most important part of this. Blend, blend, blend. Then I'm just blending all the colours together with a clean, fluffy brush. I want it to look beautiful. Your girl will be blending like a boss. Then the next shade I'm taking is more of a warmer tone brown just because I didn't want it too cool tone. And your girl kind of likes the warm tones, and I know that Kim K loves a good warm brown smoky eye. Honestly guys, blending is my cardio. Say no more, say no more. Say my name, say my name. Tell me B, I love you, baby, say my name. No! Now is for the part that your girl is gonna get her smoky on. Get all smoky up in here because now it's time for the eyeliner. Now this is my favourite part. I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black, of course. And I'm using my Loyal and Langnickel. And this is the BC 490 brush. So on the picture, it looked like Kim was wearing eyeliner all the way up to her inner corner, so that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to drag it all the way out and then wing it out, and then that's when we smoke that wing. This Bobbi Brow Gel eyeliner glides on like a dream. It is so easy to do. Like, honestly, it's a dream to work with. I love it. So I'm just taking this pencil brush. This is from the brand Mascara or something. I don't know what this brand's called, but it's a super cool brand. It's really, really, really good. And this is a small pencil brush, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to dip my light. Oh no, wait, I've just forgot. So I'm going to take this pencil brush right here, and I'm going to dip it into this matte black shade in the Morphe palette. And we're going to go and smoke this ish out. So I'm just taking the brush and I'm just going to blend the eyeshadow on top. From the outside in, literally, this is going to be smoky. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. You want it crisp, but you want it smoky, and that's what I've achieved here. So honestly, for the best smoky wing, use tape and blend away, girl, because you will achieve the most gorgeous smoked wing. And now it's time for lashes. And I love this bit. You know I love it, because lashes is my heart. I have a great relationship. Me and my lash is like peas in a pod. Don't know why I've just... Apparently we're 2 peas in a pod. Okay. Wow. Oh no, I forgot to tightline. But before I add on my lashes, I'm going to tightline because, again, on Kim's makeup, it was very smoky under her lashes. All the way right into the root of my lashes. Just adding black liner to your waterline. It looks like I have a thicker liner than I actually have. Mario, I pray to you. So I'm just going to add my mascara, because who doesn't like mascara? Everybody needs a bit of mascara in your life. So I'm just adding my Urban Decay, Prep Hair Lashes. Girl needs to get the full size of this, because when this runs out, I'm gonna be heartbroken. Yes, we're nearly there. Also, I just want to say, adding mascara before your lashes, make sure that 1, you don't wreck your lashes. You can keep your lashes for longer, so you can reuse them. And 2, it makes your lashes blend with your fake lashes so much better. Doll lashes is my favourite, so I need to put more glue on. Girl, that is not enough. So my lashes that I'm going to be using today, if you haven't already guessed, are going to be the doll lashes in the style Devine. So these are my favourite lashes, and your girl is using them. Okay, she's sticking. Yes, lashes are on. I'm just gonna let my lashes dry, and then as soon as my lashes have kind of set into place, I'm gonna add a bit more mascara on top of the lashes. I love it. I'm so in love. So obviously I do reuse lashes, which means glue gets on them and they do get a little bit yucky, like ew. So I'm gonna take my Primark eyeliner. Actually, I'm loving Primark eyeliners at the minute, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm just gonna cover the lash band. I'm going to go in with my Soap and Glory Super Cat. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my Soap and Glory Super Cat Khol eyeliner, and I'm going to run this on my bottom lashes. And then what I'm doing is I'm just going to drag my eyeliner just underneath my lashes, but it was no eyeshadow, it was just eyeliner. Honestly, your girl lives for this smoky eye. Okie dokie, so now that is done, I'm going to apply my base. So Kim was wearing a very, very, very full coverage foundation. I'm just going to use my normal foundation, which is classed as medium to full. So I'm going to just build this up. So your girl is going to have to go full coverage on this. Are you ready to say bye to these freckles? Let's hope I don't drip it everywhere. I never ever go this full coverage, and your girl's going to do it. Abort mission. So I'm just applying concealer just under where I have got my smoky Khol liner. So I'm not going to blend all the way up. I'm just going to blend just before it. Your girl is looking very high coverage. This is the most coverage I've ever worn. I love it. And I'm just adding the lemon concealer, which I used in my last makeup tutorial, just to brighten. And obviously it isn't a Kim K look without the brightening, of course. Oh, there's a hair. Get out of my way. Alrighty, so that is concealer done and dusted. I'm going to go set that because on the look Kim did wear, she was looking very matte. I am going to add a little bit of setting powder, keep this flawless base looking flawless all day long, even though I'm not leaving my house. Oh my god. So I'm just going to be taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to be using the RCMA powder, which you can also get on Beauty Bay. I'm just like dusting this under. Honestly, I forget how good the RCMA powder is. It's absolutely insane. Boy, I love you. I love you. And I also need to make sure that I don't get foundation on my nose ring, because that ain't a good look. So now that I've powdered my face and my legs, because yes, it went everywhere, I'm going to go in with the Soap & Glory, the Mighty Contourer. And this is a cream contour kit. This is the most gorgeous contour shade. And I'm just going to be using my Morphe brush, my E45. I love it. So I'm just going to apply this where my cheekbones are, or should be. This is looking so nice. This, oh my god, you guys, this is insane. I love this. If you haven't checked this out, go to Soap & Glory and try this contour little kit. This is so good. Like that in the mirror looks so blended and is meshed into my skin so well. And now I'm going to go in with my ABH Contour Palette because this is a true contour palette and I thought I'd whip it out today. Your girl has to go for the contouring and she has to go hard. Hello, where's that bird? Oh, it's here. I'm going to be using this shade here in the middle. This is in the shade Fawn and I'm just going to blend this pretty much where I've had my contour just to make it stand out a bit more, and I just can't get over how flawless that contour looks. I am in love. Soap & Glory is incredible. Got to contour that forehead, you know, because what's the point in contouring here if you're not going to contour up here? So I have added a little bit more bronzer than usual, but I'm really digging it. Everything's blended flawlessly. I'm so glad that I've chosen the products I have because it just proves how well things blend if you take the time. This is my dream contour little combo because I forgot how good this palette is, and also the Soap & Glory product. Oh, so good. I'm just going to add some mascara onto my bottom lashes. Now for highlighter, I'm going to add the Balm LouManizer with my Kiko brush. Now for the lips, which is the best part, I think, of this look because it goes so smoky and then really nude. So I'm actually going to add my lip liner first, which is going to be Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Liner in the shade Nighthawk. Also use this lipstick here, which is in the shade, you guys guessed it, Mud Wrestler. So there we go. That is my inspired Kim Kardashian Met Gala makeup look. Don't forget, this is an inspired makeup look. I'm not trying to be her. I'm just inspired by her makeup and thought it'd be a fab idea to recreate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button. So it's that time again of the video and it's notification shout out. So my two notification shout outs goes to Olivia Winter and Taylor Butler. You two amazing girlies. I love you so much for even turning on the subscribe button and the notification button on for me. I see your comments. Thank you so much. I love you both so much. You mean the world to me. And I love giving you guys a shout out because you guys are so amazing and I love you very much. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to love you and leave you now. I will see you next week for a brand new vlog and a brand new main channel video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.